let's see how to make SVG files in Canva. And for your information, why do people use SVG files in Canva? It's because SVGs can be resized to any dimension without losing the quality, making them ideal for your logos, icons, and web graphics. Also, SVGs are lightweight and load faster on websites, improving performance and user experience. So, for you to able to download or create the SVG files in Canva, first, you just have to select the element you wanted to export, which is, for example, like this rocket. I wanted this to use to my game, which is I'm developing, and then I will be needing an SVG file for this to import on my game. So, for me to able to do that, I will just export it by clicking the share button on the top right corner of my Canva. And then after that, I will navigate to the download section. After clicking it, I will need to change my file type into SVG, which is here. After selecting the file type, you just have to click download for you to able to download your SVG file. And then you just have to wait until it fully downloads. That's how you make SVG files in Canva. See you soon!